Hi friends, my name is Sarika Chawla and you all know that I'm an image consultant. I am passionate about dressing. I want everybody look beautiful, right? And for that reason, I come up with videos on, let's say, body variations. Currently, yes, we are talking about body variations. We have already covered videos for the people who have flabby arms. We have also covered videos for people who are short height, how to look taller. Today's video is all about to cover the belly fat. Yes, we are fond of eating, and in India or somewhere else when we go, we always love to enjoy different kinds of food, but then yes, it somewhere or the other sticks to our belly and increases the belly fat. But yes, as I always say, that clothes are one such powerful resource available to us that helps us to camouflage any of the body variations. And today's video is all about how to cover the belly fat. Interesting topic, isn't it? We will create illusion that we do not have belly fat, and how to do that. So my tip number one. Tip number one says that go for darker colors. The more you wear darker colors, you look slimmer. Once you look slimmer, your belly fat is not visible, right? But you always say that during summers we cannot wear those darker colors. Then how should we go about it? So there are other ways. Let's talk about tip number two. So tip number two says, don't go for bold prints. Go for smaller prints. When you wear smaller prints, you look small. So don't go for larger prints basically. Then tip number three. We talked about colors, we talked about patterns. Let me tell you what else can help you to hide your belly fat. When we wear dresses, we should make sure that we should wear the dresses which gives us a feeling of accentuated waist, means something that can take the waist up. Once it will take the waist up, we will look flat from the belly area. But then how do we go about it? You can always go for A-line suits, A-line tops, A-line kurtis, which is more of a anarkali kind of, which is tight from the top of your body, but then it flares out. Once it flares out, it covers that belly fat. Then tip number four, we can also go for peplum tops. Peplum is also something which is tight from here, but then after the waist, it creates an illusion of a flare. So that is something a very good choice when we talk about covering the belly fat. We talked about A-line suits, we talked about A-line kurtis, we talked about peplum tops, and also we talked about the dresses which can take your waist up. How do we do that? We can always go for a wrap style. Wrap is something that goes from here and creates a diagonal look of it. Once it make a knot here with that wrap style, then it creates the illusion of hiding the belly fat. Even if it is there, it does not get visible. So then guys, these are few things. Then we also talk about some dresses which are called shift dresses. So there are two kinds of dresses. One is sheath and the another is shift. Sheath is something which is body hugging, but anytime you are wearing anything which is body hugging, I'm sure there would be a little bit of stretch in it. So once you are going for such stretchable dresses, body hugging dresses, then make sure that you are going one size larger than your actual size. But if you are wearing the shift dresses, which is already slightly away from your body once you wear it, that hides your belly fat. So this is something very interesting that you can go with in your dresses. Shift dresses gives you illusion of hiding the belly fat, and sheath dresses, if you are wearing, make sure that you go for one size larger than your actual size. Also, let me tell you, your first layer of garment, which is about women's bra, that plays a very important role in hiding the belly fat. How? Because when you wear a bra which is a push-up bra, that takes your waist up. You know, that uplifts your breast and creates a waist upward. So that is something a very good choice. If you are going for a bra, then go for a push-up bra. That can hide your belly fat. One thing that we always say, that whatever area we want to take attention away from, that should not be embellished, that should not have any sort of embroidery, any sort of frilling, any sort of designing on it. So make sure that you're not taking any sort of design, any sort of embroidery on your belly area. Don't go for nice heavy belts, because that is something which will highlight your belly fat. So you do not have to embellish that area of your body, right? You can always add third layer to yourself, because once we wear a third layer in form of a jacket, in form of a shrug, then that helps you to hide the belly fat. Also, when you are wearing the pants, make sure that you are going for high waist pants, which is definitely tucking your tummy in and avoiding your belly fat to be visible. So these are certain tips that if you apply in your routine dressing, you will be more confident, because you know that though you have that body variation, but still you have techniques to camouflage it and making yourself stand in front of anybody, wherever you are, wherever you want to be, with a lot of confidence. So I hope guys you liked my video. Do like it, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so please do that. I shall be happy to make many more videos to cover any sort of body variations. Do let me know what you would like to hear about, and we will see you again in the next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.